How to restore Avast account password. Avast Account is a portal designed to help you manage all your Avast licenses for different products and devices that are registered to one email address. If you have lost or forgotten your password for your Avast account, you can restore it easily. Restore your password for your Avast account. 1. In your internet browser, go to https://my.avast.com and click Can't access your account. 2. Enter your email address and click Send. Note, if the system reports this email address does not exist in our system, it means that the address is not yet registered for access to the Avast Account portal. You can simply create a new Avast account for this email address. To do so, please visit the following article, Creating an Avast Account. 3. Check the inbox of your email account and open the email from Avast with the subject, Forgot your password. Then click the Reset Password link to reset your Avast account password. 4. Select a new password and enter it twice. Then click Change Password. 5. A success notification appears when your password is changed, and you are directed to your Avast account.